Hi guys, welcome to another Igbo Class 101. Welcome. Grab your biscuit, your popcorn, your textbook, and your pencil. But I get here right into today's class. Today's topic is about health and physical well-being. Aho Ike. So I'm going to be giving you guys terms that are associated with physical well-being and then using those terms in an expression to express any statement that has to do with your health. Let's jump right into the Our first term is Aho Ike, meaning good health. How do we use Aho Ike in an expression? Let's use it in an expression. To say, I feel strong, you say, Aho Sirim Ike. Say it with me. Aho Sirim Ike. Say it one more time. Aho Sirim Ike, meaning I feel strong or I feel well. Let's go on to our next term. To say I am ill, you say Aho Adirum or Aro Adirum. Come on, say it with me one more time. Aho Adirum. Say it one more time. Aho Adirum or Aro Adirum. Let's go on to our next term. Our next term is Oya, meaning illness. Say it with me one more time. Oya. Let's use Oya in an expression. So, to say he or she is ill, in Igbo, you say Ona Oya. Say it with me. Ona Oya Oya. Say it with me. Ona Aya Oya. One more time. Ona Aya Oya. Well done. Let's go on to our next term. Okay, so the next term that we have is Ike Okuku. Ike Okuku, meaning tiredness. Let's use that term to make an expression. Ike Gurum. Ike Gurum. Say it one more time. Ike Gurum, meaning I am tired. Okay, the next term that we're going to learn is Aho Imbu. Say it with me one more time. Aho Imbu, meaning body pain or body aches. Let's use that in an expression. Aho nile na ebumumbu. Say it one more time. Aho nile na ebumumbu. One more time. Aho nile na ebumumbu. It means my body aches. Aho nile na ebumumbu. That's how you say my whole body aches. To say I need some painkillers in Igbo, you say Achorom ogu ahumbu. Say one more time. Achorom ogu ahumbu. One last time. Achorom ogu ahumbu. Well done. The next term is Ofo, meaning pain in English. Ofo. Let's use that in an expression. Anya na afo ofo. Say one more time. Anya na afo ofo. One last time. Anya na afo. Well done. Our next term is Oko, meaning itch in English. Oko. Let's use that in an expression. Aho nile na komoko. Say one more time. Aho nile na komoko, meaning my whole body is itching. Let's say one more time. Aho nile na komoko. Well done. To say, please scratch my back in Igbo, you say, Biko komo oko nazo. Say one more time. Biko komo oko nazo. Well done. Our next term is Obimbu. Obimbu, meaning chest pain. Say one more time. Obimbu. Let's use that in an expression. Obi na ebumumbu. Say one more time. Obi na ebumumbu. One last time. Obi na ebumumbu. Well done. The next term is Azumbu. That means backache or back pain. Azumbu. Let's use that in an expression. Azu na ebumumbu. One more time. Azu na ebumumbu. Say one more time. Azu na ebumumbu. Well done. Ukwembu. Ukwembu, meaning waist pain. Let us use that in an expression. Uku na ebumumbu. Say it with me. Uku na ebumumbu. One more time. Uku na ebumumbu. That's how you say my waist is paining me in Igbo. Ntimbu. Ntimbu, meaning earache or ear pain. Let's just use ntimbu in an expression. Nti na ebumumbu. Say with me. Ante ebumumbu. Well done. Our next term is obara. That means blood in English. Let's say it one more time. Obara. One more time. Obara. Let us use obara in an expression. To say I am bleeding in Igbo, you say obara na agbam. Let's say one more time. Obara na agbam. One more time. Obara na agbam. Well done.
To say I have a headache in Igbo, you say isi na wam. Say with me. Isi na wamu. So isi ọwụwa means headache in Igbo. Say one more time. Isi ọwụwa means headache in Igbo. Use that in an expression one more time. Isi na wamu. Well done. To say flu or catarrh in Igbo, you say azuzu. Azuzu. Let's use that in an expression. To say I have a flu in Igbo, you say enwere m azuzu. One more time. Enwere m azuzu. One more time. Enwere m azuzu. Well done.
To say cough in Igbo, you say okwara. One more time. Okwara. So to say I have a terrible cough in Igbo, you say okwara jimaka. One more time. Okwara jimaka. One more time. Okwara jimaka. Well done. To say hunger, you say ago. Ago. Therefore, to say I am hungry in Igbo, you say ago na gum. One more time. Ago na gum. One more time. Ago na gum. Well done. That's it, guys. Well done on today's lesson. And I hope you guys genuinely enjoyed today's lesson. I will see you guys back here in our next Igbo class. Make sure you play this video as often as you can to practice, rehearse, and that's how you get so much better in speaking the Igbo language. Until then, I will see you guys in our next lesson. Bye, guys.